Kaya mong lutuin for 10 or 20 people, pero yung 100, 500, naiisip mo pero hindi mo alam kung paano. Your food is good, your customers love it, pero every time a big catering inquiry comes in, you hesitate. Anak, yung hesitation na yan may price tag yan. Dahil ang catering, hindi lang yan all about bigger orders. It's a completely different business. Different pricing, different team, different systems. And without the right knowledge, mas malaking order means mas malaking pagkakamali. Kaya this coming week, we will be talking about how to level up your food business to bigger events and catering. Paano mo ipaprice ang catering para hindi ka lugi? What systems do you need before you say yes to that first big booking? We will have Coach Jane Vitorillo, food business coach, pero former bank manager siya and founder siya ngayon ng Kusina University Online Tutorial Services. She also co-owns an actual catering operation with over 8 years na of hands-on experience. She's not just teaching theory, she's been in the kitchen and in the boardroom. Kaya this could be the missing piece na matagal mo nang hinahanap. Kahit na hindi catering ang negosyo mo, kahit na hindi food, I'm sure you will learn something from this. Kaya register na, we will go live soon. Your next level is waiting. See you sa live, anak!